now what we see is not cynicism any longer. There is a political party that is there which many of you hate, which many of you refuse to acknowledge, but I somehow admire, the Revolutionary Goan's party. I don't agree with many of the things. But that is a political party that speaks about the youth. And you know what is the sentiment that is there? It is a sentiment of despair. It's despair. It's no longer cynicism now. It's despair. They are with their backs to the wall. They don't have jobs. They don't have proper growth incomes. They do not see a future for themselves in Goa. The Portuguese passport gave a lot of our youth an avenue to run away from here. But there are a lot of them who have been left behind who are despairing at the present moment. And once that sentiment of despair, at the moment it's still under control. But if it really becomes a tidal wave, the first thing that will get submerged under it are all your institutions of commerce and finance and business. That's when that despair hits the roads, that you realize that you then cannot put the genie back into the bottle. So you need to address this particular sentiment that is happening on the ground with the youth of Goa and which no political party is ready to address.